Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motors stock and a very big potential why it could go up, and it's not because of its electric vehicle. I think you're really going to get a lot out of this video, but before we get down into it and start, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button. This will share my video around YouTube and it will keep me alive on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, I would like to welcome you to the community. Hit that subscribe button. If you would like to get all my videos right when they come out, hit that notification bell. But as I mentioned, we are going to have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motor Group stock, LCID stock. So right now, Lucid does have a chance to get a huge contract. If they do get this contract, this stock is going to skyrocket. I just came across this article and I just did want to share it with you. The title is "The Lucid Group LCID currently stands a hefty chance of winning the contract to build the largest battery storage system in the world." So this is going to be amazing for the company if they do get this contract. And I do definitely think that they are one of the leaders and have a great chance of getting this. So as you know, Lucid Motors as a company does have great advanced battery technology. This has been proven and it has been going on everybody's radar because just recently Lucid Motors was awarded the best long-range vehicle out there. It did have the longest EPA range of 520 miles on one single charge of battery life. Well, this information went globally and people are starting to notice. So I did want to just show you this, that Lucid Motors, as I mentioned, has that advanced battery technology and it has a very good potential to win a very lucrative Saudi Arabian contract. So this article did an interview with the CEO of the Saudi Arabia Red Sea project, which is also known as the Amaala Luxury Tourism Initiative. And so this person did say that they are looking at companies to build the largest battery storage system in the world. And this is definitely going to be very big news because they are looking for that company that does have that technology to do something like this. And one of the biggest companies that are out there is Lucid Motors, and they are being sought after to potentially start this project. If they do get granted this project, their stock will definitely be added an advantage and it'll definitely increase. But according to this article, we do see that the Red Sea project, and it's accompanied with the Amaala Tourism Initiative, will be in the Saudi Arabian grand strategy to pretty much diversify the economy. So remember, Saudi Arabia is big into oil, but they do definitely want to diversify, but they'll also eventually transition into a green future. So Saudi Arabia is looking to go green. And as you know, Saudi Arabia has also backed up Lucid Motors. In the year 2019, when Lucid Motors, before Lucid Motors was actually Lucid Motors, they were a company called Activia. And this Activia company did make batteries. They did make batteries for the race cars, the Formula E race cars out there. And they did have that great technology. But Saudi Arabia came around and they did help this company and make it Lucid Motors as you know it now. So Lucid Motors has had a big backing by Saudi Arabia. That's why I do think that they do have a very good chance of getting this very big contract. If they do, this stock is going to go through the roof because this is going to be huge, as this will be the world's largest battery storage facility in the world. And I do think that a lot of companies and a lot of worldwide leaders will definitely see this and they can getting that in their countries as well. But last month we did talk to Lucid Motors, the chief engineer and senior vice president of productions, Bach, and he did say that Lucid Motors is already building a 300 kilowatt hour prototype battery storage system in its labs, and they do have a big potential to get this contract going. If they do get this contract going, as I said, this is going to be huge for the company moving forward. But Lucid Motors does have a very big tie with Saudi Arabian and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And so I do definitely think that it has a very good chance of getting this project in. If they do, this stock is going to do very, very well. Now, I did want to just transition and talk to you about the stock In the past 1 day, the stock was down about 2%. It did trade at $24.24 by the end of the day. We did have the stock go all the way up to $25.24, but it looks like in the past few days, it did go up more than about 12%. We'll take a look, but we did have this sell-off. So we do have people out there, swing traders, that are taking profits, especially when this stock goes up more than 10%. So as you can see from the low in the past 5 days to the high in the past 5 days, we went up almost by 13%. So anytime it goes more than 10%, we do have some swing traders taking profits, and thus you'll definitely see some decrease in the stock. The way I look at it is these are buying opportunities. If you can get this stock under $23, you're getting a very, very good deal, a steal of a deal, in my opinion. If you are getting the stock under $25, you're getting a great deal if you are a long-term investor and holding this stock at least 1 year or longer. As you can see in the past 5 days, we are still up on this stock by 7.7%, as we did go up quite nicely. And then in the past 1 month, we are down about 9.6%. We did have that low back on October 13th at $23.50. We did have a lot of buyers in that, and we did test 2 resistance points, as we have seen. Those were about that $26 mark. So we did have that resistance point just this week on Monday at $25. Again, we saw this, at $25 today. But anytime we do need to break that $26 mark, that $26 resistance point to be able to get this stock moving up higher, I do definitely think that we do still have a lot of potential out there, especially in October, that we will start seeing the deliveries of the vehicles coming out. I do think that this will be a good catalyst and a good motion upwards for this stock moving forward. In the past 6 months, we are still up by almost 22% in this stock, but we did have, some of that sell-off that we have just recently seen. I do still think that I am very bullish on this stock, and I do think that it will be a great long-term investment. I did want to just transition and tell you what Wallet Investor is saying and forecasting in the upcoming days of Lucid Motors stock. They are predicting in the next 2 weeks that the stock can go as low as $22, and it looks like 17 cents, but the highest they are giving it is $25. Now, in my opinion, if you can get this stock under $23, these are huge buying opportunities. If it does get down in that $22 mark, this is a steal of a deal. It's a great deal if you hold it long term. But according to Wallet Investor, they don't see or project any big movements. I do think that we will still get that pop up. I do think that we will get the movement upward if we can penetrate that $26 resistance, that ceiling. And I do definitely think by the end of this month, October, once the deliveries start and it's announced, I definitely think that this will have a nice boost up in its stock. So definitely I am long-term and very bullish on Lucid Motors, but this is great news that we have just learned about Lucid Motors giving the opportunity. And if they get this contract to build the world's largest battery, this is going to be amazing, and it's going to skyrocket this stock because they are going to have huge revenues coming in, not just from EV company, the car company, but also their technology, which is really what I'm looking at when I look at this company. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me that like button, a thumbs up, so I can be on YouTube and keep me alive on there. If I would also like to welcome you to join the channel by hitting that subscribe button. If you would like to get all the videos that I put and download right away, hit that notification bell and you'll get my alerts. Also, don't forget to take advantage of my Moomoo account, my link down below. If you use it, open account, you get a free share of stock. If you deposit $100, you will get a free stock. It used to be Lucid Motors. It still might be, but definitely check it out, as you will be getting 2 free stocks when you do deposit that $100. But thank you again for watching, and I greatly appreciate it. And keep sharing this video with others. We have hit that 6,000 subscriber mark, which I want to thank you very much for that. But we can keep on moving this channel upwards. But please continue to share this with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.